behind a snack crate.
Of course, yeah.
You know how it goes. A little late and a little bloody. Hopefully not.
I can't open it.
Is it that?
It was stuck. The UK. Look at that. Look how right.
How right?
I was.
Is that what you guessed?
Yeah.
Because
it said Sir Casey of Snackshire.
I like
as
that.
The name.
Snackshire.
Every day, people drink 165 million cups of tea in the UK.
Damn.
That's a lot.
Crumpet.
The Big Ben is not a clock, it's a bell.
It's not a clock?
No, it's a bell.
There's not a clock on it, though. Pretty sure there's a fucking clock on it.
Yeah, it says, the Big Ben is not a clock, it's a bell.
I don't fucking know.
Just blew Corbin's mind, honestly.
I'm so confused.
Pick one. Spicy chicken. Ooh.
I'll go with the spicy chicken, I guess. Fries.
Ooh.
Bacon.
Okay, stop.
Sorry.
Okay.
They smell good.
I'm tired.
Not bad. Yeah, I like them. I can taste the spice now, though. The spice is coming. What? Is it getting hot?
Mm-mm.
Ah.
So I cracked my tooth again.
Oh my lord. Just now?
No.
Oh.
I did it yesterday. The worst thing. Now I only have half a tooth. But on the plus side, I'm half a tooth closer to a gold tooth. So.
Shut the fuck. That's true, I guess. Are these the same thing?
Bacon flavored fries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we can each have one. It smells kind of like cat snacks or fish food or something.
How gross. Alright. Ew. Why?
It's not a good time. Also, in case this is the trash I'm going to have to use for the moment. We need it.
They don't get any better. Not at all. And eating the whole thing, not a good idea.
Yeah, that was an odd taste, odd smell. And what is that?
God.
Bacon
we never
flavored
have
fries
water.
from
We
Smith's.
never learn.
I know. Next time, we're gonna have water or soda or something. I'm gonna make sure of it. We have to.
We never learn. Alright, you're done.
I'm gonna not go straight for another chip. I'm gonna go for something called a double decker from Cadbury.
Killing it. Oh yeah, we like hardly said any names. We're the worst.
Nando's Peri Peri spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken.
And then Smith's bacon flavor fries.
Okay, we actually said that one. So.
Oh, you can tell that it got melted a little. Looks like silly putty.
10 out of 10.
You wanna break some of that off?
This is have peanut butter in it. Oh my god! Okay.
What the fuck? We stretch it so much further. Look, it goes past the wrapper now.
That's amazing.
And then plus whatever you have, so that's like even, I'm gonna just sort of try to bite into it.
So we got more, is what you're saying.
That's not bad. Oh no, nougat top and crispy bottom and Cadbury milk chocolate.
I was about to say, I just tasted the nougat, so.
I don't really know what nougat is.
I'm pretty sure we established this. I don't know how many episodes
I
ago.
don't know, so I feel like we did.
Okay. Pretty sure. You said that before.
Probably. You're a baller. What's that?
Lion.
Oh, lion. I love eating lion.
Oh.
good meat.
Oh.
I wonder who's done that out there. Put in the comments below if you've eaten lion meat before. Don't lie, I'll know if you're lying.
Don't lie, yeah. Jesus.
Oh, God.
Nice, that was a good one. Alright.
Oh, you're fucking not gonna.
Ow, fuck.
You good? I don't know how much longer you can do this. You're gonna die.
My teeth are the worst, by the way.
I think there's nuts in it, but I actually like this. Sounds like the missus might be home. Yeah, I like it.
New recipe, extra crispy. Doesn't tell me what's in it. Just says lion, real big.
That's what's in it, is lion.
I guess.
Lion and wrapped in chocolate. That's probably why I like it. It looks like peanuts, but it's actually lion meat. Let's go. What the fuck?
Millions.
Millions. Doubt there's millions in here. Just making sure there's not more millions. Sour strawberry.
Ooh. Love it.
Do you want more?
I mean, I didn't want millions, but okay.
No! As I put my tongue to it, that was sour. But that's damn good.
Why'd you make me laugh?
I'm sorry. I started like, as my tongue got to it, I was like, oh shit, I gotta just get it back. That's damn good. What's this, like gum, chewy gum, or the teeny tasty chewy sweets? That was definitely sour for me, but damn
No,
good.
for me, by the way.
No, of course. Okay, I'm sorry. I need to try a little
It
bit more.
tastes like nerds at first, and then it's weird because I expect them to be hard, but they're like super chewy.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting them to be this chewy. God. Okay.
They're the worst.
Mm.
And now it's like Laffy Taffy.
Oh. Okay.
10 out of 10. By the way.
Yeah. Facts. I heard something coming. Okay. Yeah, it's very good. Sticky? Okay, there we go.
Oh my god.
What is that?
Wham!
Wham! Original.
No, it's not wham. It's wham.
Wham. Wham.
Remember on Deadpool when he did that?
Uh-uh.
He was like, and Vanessa goes wham, and he goes, no, it's not wham. It's wham.
I don't remember that then. Hey, what is Once Upon a Deadpool? Was it the exact same movie, just...
I don't know. It's,
Or,
just,
'cause,
it's
like,
a PG-13
Yeah,
version
in the
of
trailers, it
Christmas.
seems like brand new shots and everything. That's why I'm so
So-
confused by it.
It's probably a new movie. I
That's
want to go
it.
see it.
But, like, they haven't
Yeah.
advertised it enough to be a new movie. That's why I'm so fucking confused by it.
I
But,
mean, I'll go see it either way.
Yeah,
Like,
same.
mostly because they got me with the trailer. Because the trailer
Is-
is Princess Bride, and Princess Bride is my favorite
oh,
movie.
I haven't seen that one. I saw when he's talking to Fred Savage in bed.
Yeah, that's Princess Bride.
Oh, that's a
'Cause
Princess Bride
Fred
then. Oh,
Savage.
okay.
Fred Savage was in the Princess Bride as the little kid that the grandpa was reading the story to.
That's funny. That's funny. I like that then. I didn't know that. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Oh, just some type of taffy. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's just happy.
Yep, just taffy. It says it was sour crystals, but
Where?
was it that? Oh, is there a second one?
Yeah.
Oh. You want?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, I like it.
I mean, it's taffy. So.
Oh, there's the sour crystals.
Alright, you're good.
Mmm.
Corbin's the worst with sour candy.
Facts. What is this? Fruit gums. Roar trees.
We forgot at the beginning. Sorry for all the,
Yeah.
mispronunciations of.
Looks like just little candies. You want a yellow or is it yellow? I don't know what's next.
Oh, they're
Another
hard.
yellow. They're hard, chewy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna back my tooth off.
Like me?
Effects. No.
8 sweets equals 1 serving. Do they each have different flavors? Nice.
Not for me.
I like them. It's perfectly fine. They just are very hard because they were in the fridge or something.
Yeah. Maybe if they weren't in the fridge, they would be redder. Redder with the cheddar. Cheddar bread. Bubble bath.
I gotta go bubble bath.
Now you gotta say because of bubble bath.
Yeah, I can't help it.
Is this you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Take a nice hot bubble bath. I love Big Mouth. I started watching it again.
Now that Friends isn't there, you have to watch that.
They brought Friends back, so.
Oh, Netflix that quick?
Yep.
They probably had a freaking riot going on or something.
Yeah, they had like, what was it, Casey? Like $1 million or something like that to get it back.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, lordy.
Oh, these are called twirls.
I like twirls.
Oh. Oh.
Whoa!
That's pretty
That's
cool.
cool.
I'm dead.
I'm gonna try to show it, because that's cool.
There.
Look at the chocolate. There you go. That's cool. I like it.
There's your chocolate.
No, it's just chocolate. Yeah, perfectly fine, and it's got cool insides.
I mean, it's Cadbury chocolate, so it is perfectly fine.
Here, look. Take one seat. I'm a swear.
It's got
That's
little.
it, you're a little fun.
I'm trying to eat too much sugar.
Casey, did you know the other day when we said hi that was her?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't. It
Yeah.
looked like you were confused.
No.
I thought later
I
you
was
were.
probably just out of it because my job is slowly killing my brain.
Oh, damn.
Oh, nice.
I thought you were going to go and be like, Andrew. I saw Corbin walking around with some other bitch. I don't know who she was. I thought that's.
Oh, that's what I said, yeah.
Oh, okay. That is what you said.
Yeah, that is what he said, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, okay. I like how
Oops.
instead of eating the chips, we're just like
Except
pushing
my
them
chips.
around. It's a lot.
These things are both from Tunnux. The chocolate coated caramel wafer based biscuit. This one's milk chocolate, and this one's dark chocolate. You have a preference?
No. Do you have a preference?
No.
Okay.
Whichever one lands closest to you. Ouch. Did you catch one?
Yes.
That actually
you
hurt
said
my-
whichever one lands closest to you, so I caught the one that was closest to me.
It's just like wafer covered in chocolate.
Yeah.
Nothing to write home about. I saw that on something and I've been saying it ever since.
Jesus Christ. Nothing to write home about.
I think it was maybe an unboxing person or something.
Today I had the most disappointing chocolate bar. Oh, there's this one too.
Oh, there's another one? Oh, that's not the same brand.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, is it?
It is.
It's just a
You
different
said
style wrapper.
Tunnux. Yeah. It's the
That
same.
one's a caramel log. Whatever that is. Oh, what? It was a comic book YouTube channel. He reads comics and then he says, that comic is alright. Nothing to write home about.
God damn it.
Yeah.
Oh, oh nice.
What, is that just straight granola?
Might be. Or nuts. I have no idea. Alright, you figure out how to break that.
And just
Right. So I'm gonna guess it's the same thing,
there you
but with caramel,
go. Look at all that. I got a vacuum.
making a maze.
It's literally just spilling on your mail as I eat it. Yeah, I think it's got nuts, so it's not as fun for me. I'm not nuts about nuts.
Good one.
Thanks.
I'm glad you laughed because I wasn't.
Ouch!
I got a big one.
Well, no, you have to. So
I signed on for this. It was in the prenup.
Is it? Whose turn is it?
well,
Did
I
you
just
just-
picked out that caramel log, so I guess it's yours.
Oh. Okay.
I guess.
Okay.
He's the worst.
Let's knock one back, I guess.
Monster Mash. Monster Munch.
Monster
Sorry.
Munch. You do the Monster Munch. Something like that, right? It was a graveyard something. Hey, Monster Munch. Grab bag. Huge chunks of pickled onion.
Ooh. Are these like Funyuns, I guess?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. They look like little monster claws, and that's about it. But they're Funyuns.
I could eat them. But I'm not willing to wait for them. What? You got something to say there?
No.
Skippy?
If I had something to say, I would have said it.
Right. That's what I thought.
These are pretty good. I would write home about this.
Oh shit, okay.
Exactly. 10 out of 10.
Would you recommend?
Yeah, definitely. That's why I said 10 out of 10.
They do got sour crystals in these.
Oh my god. The worst. Crunchy. Amazing.
Yeah.
There's a lot of chocolate in this.
Where's this box from?
The UK.
UK, mate. Wait, that's
sister.
I'm there for you.
I thought it was.
It's already
an
broken
accent.
up. Alright, there you go. It is an accent. It's just not the right accent.
Well, oh, it's broken up in threes.
Weird.
What is this? Crunchy. Oh, okay. Golden honeycomb, wrapped in Cadbury chocolate.
It's weird.
I don't know. I really don't know how I feel about it.
I mean, no, that's weird.
I think it's the inside that's not really my friend.
I mean, Cadbury chocolate. How can you go wrong?
Yeah, that's what I think it's the inside that screwed me over there. Right at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got Juicy Chews. 3 orange and 1 red. You want the red?
Sure.
Okay.
Make Tim milk.
Maynard's Bassets.
Right?
Ew. Ew, what is this thing? These
Remember
are
those
juicy.
milk things that we got once?
Oh, yeah. I was gonna be
How
like
does
fruit
this
candy.
choose? I don't understand. It's hard as a rock. Yeah, no, not gonna happen.
Yeah, I think if it wasn't so cold, these juices would come out.
Oh, okay, well, I guess, but it's too hard for me. I can't. Ah! Okay. I'm covered.
I don't know how I feel.
You know how you feel? Maybe if they were thawed, honestly.
Maybe.
You good?
I don't let they look at me like you're embarrassed. I don't like that you didn't deny anything there. Are you good?
I gotta go, bro. Ah. Tango orange. Okay. The soda. Alright. Yeah.
What are those?
I don't know, it says Walker's Crisps. Did
We
we get that?
didn't get Walker's Crisp.
What are those? Oh no, we got those.
We should have got those because that's in the mini box and you get everything that's. Hey! I want my Walker Crisp! That'll do it.
That'll do it, yeah. Well, we did get these, which are in the upgraded box.
Oh, so maybe they.
So maybe they just
Maybe-
switched them out.
Maybe you just edit that out of the video.
Yeah.
Maybe you just edit it out of the video.
I can't.
Okay.
No, okay.
She said thanks for understanding. What is it? What's that? Is that Deadpool? Oh, it's a
Is that
Space Raiders.
Deadpool? It's an alien.
My favorite item was the Wham.
Mostly because you kept going back to it.
Yeah, I like it. But I do like the Millions if they weren't super sour.
And he didn't scream like a little girl when he put them
Hey, now, hey, now.
Hello?
She wasn't here when that happened.
in. She's your wife, bro.
I'm gonna see it.
Oh, that went further than I thought. Hit her right in the temple.
No, it didn't.
No, it
Yes,
did
it
not.
did.
I made it halfway.
Oh.
I made it more than I thought it was gonna go.
They would have believed it.
No,
I
they-
would have gotten away with it too.
No, they wouldn't.
Right?
No.
Yam scone. Kappa!
Yeah, I like these, the monster munchies. Mostly because they're Funyuns and I enjoy Funyuns. Ha 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 ha. Alright. Are we good?
You
want
were
a
good.
loot? You want a loot? You want one of these?
This
isn't
isn't
loot
loot.
crate. You want one of these? Try the code
You
in
want
the
one of
description.
these? Hey, boy. Hey,
Want some of
sonny.
this? Alright.
Want some of this? Get to it. I was sort of hoping that would like go over the camera, and then I would just edit it
You'd
like
have
it would like.
perfect-